Chris with Kissee Inspections, doing a older home in McKinney right now. Up in the attic, initially noticed immediately we have old knob and tube wiring, but as we're looking at it, we also have newer Romex where the rats have been chewing on it. We've got bare wires open, which literally is where you might grab if you were coming up this ladder right here. Down here, the knob and tube, we've got hot knob and tube, old, this has the old fabric insulator on it, but these are hot. Coming over to here, and you can see we got aluminum wires showing through, which is still hot there. Definitely a lot going on in this attic, and definitely a lot going on with the electricals. As always, get your home inspected. It's not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Give us a call, Kissee Inspections.
469-789-1444. Thus the importance of a home inspection. You're coming up this ladder, you're going to grab a hold of that, and your teeth will be lit up. Once again, Kissee Inspection Services, 469-789-1444. Thank you, Chris.
Absolutely.